What's up guys, Alok here. Welcome to Travel and Tech, and in this tutorial we will understand the installation of Sql Developer. In the first step we will download the Sql Developer setup file from the official website. To do that, open Chrome and search for download Sql Developer. Click on the official Oracle link and you will be redirected to the download page. The link is also there in the description box. From the download page, click on the download link suitable for your machine operating system. If you are already logged in, it will download the file, otherwise it will redirect you to login. As soon as you log in, the download will start. You can also create a free account if you don't have an Oracle account. Next step or step 2 is to extract the file in C drive. So place the file in any location in the C drive. I have placed the file in the app folder created by me in the C drive. You can place anywhere you want to. Now extract the file by right click and provide the destination folder as Sql Developer. The extraction will take some time, so enjoy the music. After the completion of extraction process, go to the Sql Developer and click on Sql Developer applications to open the tool. The Sql Developer gets open and it will ask you to import any preferences from any previous Sql Developer installations. Click No here and you are good to go. If you want to check how to create connections between Sql Developer and Oracle database, you can check the Oracle database installations video, link in the description below. Let's learn and explore together. Thanks for watching. Please do share and subscribe.